What's up, guys? Today is another day working on the truck. Another truck vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. And make sure you guys just go ahead and subscribe right now so you don't forget. Got the adhesion promoter. Go ahead and just get in there, all in there everywhere. Alright, so I now have the Grille all primed, sanded. So it's a filler primer, so it's a sandable primer. So I did 2 coats of that, let it dry, now sanded it with 320, and then a Scotch-Brite pad. I'm going to go over that with my gloss black, see how it turns out. Getting this old paint sanded off of this is not a fun time. I try to get just roughly that and then spray the primer on top of that, and hopefully that'll be good enough. There's also be sanding here for days. Well, there we go. That's the Grille surround part. The part chrome used to be chrome piece. Around the grill. This is our second coat. Olympic white. That's what the paint is called. 8627, I think, is the paint code. So yeah, that is the last part, or second last part. There's the top piece of this that mounts on the hood. There you go. That's the word I was looking for. That part's sanded and ready to go. After this is painted, I'll get that painted, get it all back together, and have the front end fully complete. Looking forward to having that done. A few more things to get color matched with this actual color match paint before we get it wrapped. Well guys, there we go. The grill, front end, all back together. Looking good, looking minty. Really liking this, that this is a gloss black instead of a, it's not totally smooth. I didn't get it 100% smooth, as you can tell, but it's more of a gloss black than, let's say, the mirrors or the door handles even. So that's more so what the grill looked like before, and now this is what we have. I'm liking this a lot, with a much better color match to the truck. On the grill there, the outer part, I think this looks really good. Let me know in comments down below what you guys think for just being a spray bomb job. I might end up doing is either painting or wrapping around here, and I might leave this red, or when we do the printed wrap for the full truck, the wrap has a little bit of gold in it. I might wrap this gold to go along with that. So we'll see what we end up doing there, but for now, this is complete front end done, other than obviously wheels and tires need to go back on, and I need to put the liners back in, and I'm gonna repaint this because I painted that with just some garbage white, and I might as well take it and do color match to the rocker and to the rest of the truck. Main point of this video was getting the grill done, and we got that. We got that done. I also do have those new tires mounted. Obviously they're not what I want yet, but we're gonna go ahead and throw those on right now. That way it doesn't have to sit on the block stands anymore, and if I fall on it moved out, then we can move it out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. This doesn't even actually look as bad as I thought it would. I do need the wheel spokes on the back. So yeah, I got those tires on. Obviously they're small. They look small. But the other ones did look worse. They have a lot less tread. They're the same size. These ones just have a lot more tread. This is the worst one. Yeah, it actually doesn't even look too bad. Obviously, I'm still planning on getting aftermarket wheels and tires, but for now, this will do until I decide what I'm getting and get it past safety. This will at least let me pass safety. Just gotta finish some exhaust stuff, get a cold air intake. I do need a spacer for the back, and then we'll go get safety done, see if it passes. I'll make a full video on that one. Don't worry, guys. But yeah, I think that's it for this one, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, aka a thumbs up. Take the tape off there in a second, and then I'll show you guys what that really looks like with a little B-roll montage of the grill. And that's it for this one, guys. Make sure you guys comment down below your thoughts. Subscribe for more future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Peace. The old grill, the new grill. Old.